Red Sand. Dito na kami. CCR lang kami sa Red Sand. Tapos uuwi na.
Punta ka lang pala dito para mag-CR.
Gusto ko lang mag-CR sa Red Sand. Yun lang naman yung purpose ko dito eh. Ay! Ay, lamig! Asan na kaya ang forever ko? Automatic? This automatic? Woo! Woo! Susi. Itong susi. On. Tapos, ganun lang. How to operate?
This is go.
Go.
This is the brake.
Ah, brake.
This is also brake.
Also brake.
This is also brake.
Okay. Ah. This is the key?
This
This?
is the key, yes, for starting.
Okay. If you drive this, is it hard? No?
No, no, no. You will use.
No. The
No, no, no.
running.
It is too easy.
Ah, okay.
It is too easy. Automatic, no problem.
Oh, ay, ang ganda ng ano pusate, oh. Ang cute ng pusate. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, baby. You're so beautiful. Are you girl or boy?
Ay, ang lamig. Oh my God.
Ang dali lang, drive.
Paano drive? Baka ilang.
Ito yung K. Ito yung K. Tapos ito, i-go-go mo lang siya. Tapos ito yung brake. Brake.
Oy!
Oh, see? See, yeah. Later. Oh, really? Try lang. Bakit ganyan?
Try.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Ish, lamig. Butik. Nilalamig ako talaga.
Ako, video ako tayo.
Bakit ganyan? Bakit kaya peng? Lamig. Bakit?
So, because of the sand, that's why it's hard to like this. Darap naman sa mama ko sa'yo, ate.
And then you will go out.
Ate, ang katas na yung bilis. Magbibidyo tayo bilis. Where's my, ano? So cold!
Oo nga, bilis! Yan mo, ito dito!
Guys, I'm learning, but I have e-bike in my Philippines.
Game.
It's hard to drive because it's very heavy and sandy.